my day.
I can't find my tripod for the light to put the ring light so it could be able to stand like that. So we just gotta work with what I got. Today's scent is Bodycology Cucumber Melon. These two. A friend of mine gave me this for a Christmas present, and ever since I've been addicted. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. Anything sweet, I like. So, like I say, it's almost 6 o'clock. My brother has work, so right after my interview, I guess he's going straight to work. Well, I'll be dropping him to work, I should say, because I'm using the car. But I need to hurry up, set up, sanitize. I really procrastinated, because I could have done this yesterday, but I didn't. Hurry up, so I don't have that much stuff to do or be stressed later on. Right, let us set up. Okay, you guys, this is the setup. I basically sanitize everything. All the stuff is sanitized. This is my content calendar. So today is the last client, 2 couple videos that I had, and then my episode for my TikTok. If you're not on my TikTok, follow me. It'll be in the bio. But I gotta go now, so this is how it is. Yeah. Hey, you guys. Today has been a very busy day. That interview was longer than I expected. I literally just reached home. For the interview. Literally just reached home. So now I am basically doing the last minute touches with setting up. I'm waiting for my friend to come to do her lashes because she was literally waiting for me. Like I said, I wasn't expecting it to be that long. I felt like I was doing orientation. I wish they would have let us know that all of that was gonna happen. That way I would have planned better. But you live and you learn. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my friend to come now so we can start a lash. At least I already know, have an idea of what I'm gonna do, so I'm just going to do it and prep while she is on her way. And yeah, so yeah, I'm pretty tired, but I gotta do what I gotta do. This how the setup is right now. So everything is basically ready. Just waiting for her, and then we will do it. Hey you guys. I forget about y'all. I ain't gonna lie. The last thing I recorded was probably KFC. When I gone to get KFC. So that was yesterday. Okay, I didn't forget about y'all. Yesterday was so much. It was so much. I think I remember I tell y'all I went to do an interview. That interview turned out to be so long. I wasn't expecting it to be that long. So I was literally behind time because I had a client, my friend. She came to do her lashes. So I thought I wanted to get done with lashes by 3, 4, but I didn't. If anything, I started around 3. So yeah, and then I had to pick my brother up. And then it was something else. And then I was hungry because I didn't eat anything from since 12 o'clock yesterday. So yeah, now here I am. This morning I had class. I had to drop my brother. I had class. I had another interview with somewhere else. Now I'm about to have class again. I just finished editing a TikTok for my business, Beauty on the Go. So make sure you guys follow my TikTok, my personal TikTok, on my actual business page TikTok. As you can see, I am in school, so I'm just waiting for my class to start at 12. Today I have to go to the mall. So after class, we have to go to the mall. I have to get something at Kelly's because my brother have to fix something in the bathroom. So I have to get the part for it. So we have to go there, and I'll probably go around, walk around the mall until it's time. Because after that, I have to go to the store, and then I also have to pick up my brother's girlfriend, and she get off 3. So I was like, okay, I might as well just walk around Kelly's, get something. Why I keep saying Kelly's? Walk around the mall until it's time, because by the time I reach the mall, it'll probably be like 1:30, to be honest. And she get off 3 o'clock. So once I get the stuff, get something to eat, and walk around, it'll be time for me to go. Because if I go home, I ain't coming back out, I ain't gonna lie. I never thought driving would be so draining. Like, I thought driving, I would be like, I got this, I am my own girl, you know, independent woman. I could drive, I could do my own thing, I could get to point A, point B. I am grateful. Don't get me wrong, I am grateful. Because I can remember catching the bus. It was very ghetto. Walking in that hot sun, in the heat, and then have to pay for Uber. I'm grateful that I could be able to drive to get to point A to point B every time. Thank you, God. But I never knew it was going to be this draining. But I should stop complaining. So I'm going to stop complaining about it. So yeah, so I have to go to the mall after class, then go to the store. There's nothing in the house. Nothing. You might as well say we're scraping through the week. Nothing. So groceries, I need. It's not a want, it's a need now. I'm tired of being hungry. You know what it is to eat once a day? A big gal like me, I need to eat. So I'm hungry now. I haven't ate anything yet today, and it's almost 12. So yeah, we're going to the store and all that, and then I have to pick them up and my brother, and that's it. And then tomorrow, I don't know what tomorrow holds. I lied to. Tomorrow, Uncle, I don't know. I don't know what tomorrow holds, so yeah. I might make a video or content. I actually have on my calendar. I need to check when I reach home so I can know what I'm doing tomorrow. So yeah, I need to start posting on Instagram too. So I think I'm like plan for Instagram content for my business when I get home, and maybe tomorrow after school, because tomorrow's the last day of class, literally the last day, and then Monday when you have exam in the morning, and I am done. Glory be to God. So that is that, and yeah. So I will see y'all when I'm at the mall. So apparently I didn't have to come to class. I didn't have to go to class because she didn't print out any work for us. I wish we had a WhatsApp group or send us an email or something. That way I could have known. Oh, anywho, my body hurts so badly. Ow. Like I said earlier, we are going to the store. So, okay. We're going to the store. No, I lie. We're going to the mall to get that thing, walk around until it's time to go to the store. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get me something to eat too because I am starving. So, yeah, let's do that. curtain for the bathroom. These are rugs. I do want to get a rug. They might be pricey. $12, that's not bad. But my bathroom's blue. This is such a pretty color. Oh my god. This is so pretty. What is for the team? Oh, actually, I don't like this color though. It needs to be like a baby blue. Could it? Well, let me see. How much is this? That's at 42. $30. God, help us. I'm not spending $30 on no bath rug. One. In fact, it's just one. Oh my god. I don't need this, but I have no space. I like this too. 20. $10. I don't know if I should just wait to get these. This is what I need. A liner. How much is this? $5. Okay. What's the difference? They're just different color. Okay. Let's see if I can find a color I like. Damn, I'll just get this. Yeah. I really do need a rug. Good morning, you guys. I did not. Yesterday, I can't remember where I stopped, where I ended the video, the vlog. Yesterday, I can't remember where I ended the vlog. I think the last thing I tell y'all, I was at the mall. Today is Thursday. It is like 8 something today. Today is my last day in class for maths. My last day for English was yesterday. But he's texting the group. It was like, today we just doing revision and we don't have to come to class. I am hungry though. But no, I'm going home to make my breakfast. I already buy groceries yesterday. That's what I think I didn't record the group me going to the grocery store. But I already buy groceries yesterday, so I don't need to go and buy stuff, no food or anything, because I have food in the house now. So there's no excuse for me to go and spend extra money, because that's my main thing. I feel like my main reason money go is food. I always want to eat. I mean, I'm a girl. I'm hungry. I like to eat, but still, I don't need to be spending money like that, especially when it comes to food. So I'm glad I have groceries in the house. So let's go to this plumbing store to get this thing for this bathroom. And then at home. Oh no. I actually sorry for the change of scenery, but I was looking for something. We're actually gonna go Starbucks. I need to find this thing. Oh, so I have this Starbucks gift certificate, beverage certificate of $5. So I'm gonna use this to get my Starbucks finally, and it's close to my area. So that's where we're gonna go, child. So let us go. Alright, you guys, I got my Starbucks order. This is it. This is the drink. This is a iced caramel macchiato, whole milk, regular milk or whatever. Caramel drizzle. I did say 1 pump of white chocolate mocha, but I don't think she actually put it in the system. I don't think so, but this it. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think so, but this it. Let's see how it tastes. Let me actually mix this in. I should have got a straw. I really should have got a straw. Oh, it's not that bad. I thought I needed the 1 pump of white chocolate mocha because it might not be sweet, but it's sweet. I think the caramel doesn't make it sweet because I didn't want to be too sweet, but it's good. Yeah, that's good. This will get me through the day. All right, let's go home, make something to eat because I'm hungry, and then start doing this content planning thing that I need to do. Let me fix it up. Y'all see this? Let me show you the price. Look at that. Y'all can see this price? Come, top, work with me. Work with me. Work with me. Come on. It's not working. Why is it not working? Anyway, $12. Come on, why is it not working? Anyway, $12 for a piece of plastic. I spent $12 for a piece of plastic. This better be the right thing, because my brother I already get the wrong thing, My brother tell me this thing, and it turns out it's not the thing we need, and it's this $12 thing right here. If this isn't it, I'm going to freak out. That's already almost that's $24 wasted. And I can't even refund the other thing that I got yesterday. Because you know why? I can't find a receipt. I don't know where that went. I remember putting it in the car. I put the items in the car. But where I put the receipt, I don't know. I'm still looking for it now. Why is it every time when money land in my hand, when it touch the surface of my hand, it disappears? It just start to go. I ain't even get to marinate it yet. I ain't even get to process that I have some funds. I ain't even get to budget yet. I ain't even get to sort of what I need to pay off yet. I don't like adulthood. I ready to be a child again. Because this is ghetto. Between driving and paying stuff, I don't know. Okay, you guys, this is what I made for breakfast. Some toast, egg and cheese, and bacon. And then I also made some yogurt with banana, half a banana, and a caramel drizzle and some honey. So that would be my breakfast, and I have my water and finish up my coffee. So I'm gonna eat, and then I'm probably gonna either watch a podcast. Yeah, I'll probably watch a podcast while I'm eating, and then start working on the content thing. Let me show y'all. So basically, this is my content calendar. As you can see, this week is kind of busy. Yesterday was Wednesday, so I did the Beauty on the Go TikTok video, which I already posted. I'm going to do another one. I was supposed to do it before and after with the client that I had on Tuesday, but I forgot to take a before picture. So I don't know. I can't be able to do it before and after. I might just do a picture of the results, basically. But I did take videos in the process, so I might do a lash with me type of video too. So that was gonna be for TikTok and Instagram. And client reaction, I have a video, so I will probably post that on Instagram too. And I wanted to do a trending video on Instagram, but I have to do some research on that part. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to work on this because I want to do a morning routine. I probably, instead of tomorrow, which is Friday, I'll do this Saturday because tomorrow I might be busy. Yeah, so I may do that. But yeah, so that's what I have to do. And yeah, I don't remember the last time I saw y'all, but today is Saturday. Me and my brother are currently about to head out to go to the mall. I know he said he needed to get something, but I want to walk around and see what is out there. So I'm already dressed. I'll show you the full thing, but I'm already dressed. I'm about to put my perfume on now. Let's set you all up. Yeah. What vibe I want to give off? Of course, Miley, Giorgiano Armani. Oh, it smells good. This is my favorite. Mix it with this all the time. Cucumber melon. Oops. I just freaking love it. What else? Oh, look at this one. It is so cute. $185. Just thought it told you that you could do it like $195. This is so pretty. But I don't know. This is so cute. Oh, the candles. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite. This right here is my favorite. How much for the candles? They're not no price over here. But it's hairstyle, but who's paying $76? 76, 14, 16, 18. Okay. This is all the hair they. Just one bundle. This is a color. I don't want color. They don't have anything. This one is 20 cents. $90. Hey you guys, today is Sunday. It's around 3:30. Yesterday I got the video short, the vlog short, because there wasn't much I was doing. When I came back home, I just relaxed and lay down, studied and lay down. That's about it. So today we are going to the beach, me and my brother, girlfriend, going to the beach today because it's nice and hot. And really and truly, I just want to go in the water, submerge my whole body in the water because I just want to clear my head. And the beach is the only thing that can help me clear my head. So I'm going to do that and just enjoy myself. I already ate, so just going to relax and just enjoy the scenery. And yeah, so I'm wearing this brown two-piece set that I get when I was in Exuma, when I was home. So yeah, I don't know if we're getting something to eat along the way. I highly doubt it, because I'm kind of full. I just want something nice and icy cold to drink, so whoever may bring me an icy cold water drink. But yeah, so we're about to head out. So yeah. Sorry.
Oh, come.
What?
Do this. I'll take a picture.
Do what?
On your side.
Early 10:40. I just finished my exam for maths. My last and final day of being in this campus until August. Thank God. Even though I have to send my documents, but that's beside the point. So I am waiting for my brother now so we can go home. And I just have to clean up the house and that's about it. So I'm going to end the vlog here since I have nothing else to do. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this vlog was entertaining, even though I barely did anything, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more of me. And I will see you guys in the next one.